In this video, I'll be showing you the best ways how to use your Apple AirPods Pro 2 and at least some ways I'm guessing you didn't know about. Quickly want to say welcome back to the channel, but if you happen to be new, hey, I'm Kate and this is Setup Essentials, a recurring series here, and today it's all about AirPods Pro 2, so let's get into it. First and foremost, you need to connect your AirPods Pro 2 to a source device, in most cases an iPhone, in order to use any of the features I'll be showing you. If you have a new pair, setup should initiate the second you open your AirPods case. But if not, you could always manually trigger Bluetooth pairing by pressing and holding the button on the back until the case flashes white. Then it should just be findable in your device's Bluetooth settings. So now you should know the basics of how to pair your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. But did you know that by subscribing to this channel, you'll be able to learn a lot more about all your favorite tech brands and devices? Let me know in the comments what some of those are. Back to AirPods Pro 2. One of the questions I get from people all the time is how to check the battery life. Well, there's actually a super convenient way to never be left guessing how much charge your buds have left. What you're going to do is create a battery widget and add it to your home screen. Long press a blank area on the display, tap the plus icon on the top left, select batteries from the widget menu. Now you can always know the battery status of not just the buds, but also the case, and this will update both when you're using your AirPods and as they're charging. This next one I'm almost certain you didn't know about. Whereas most wireless earbuds require both buds to be in place for ANC mode to work, Apple has engineered the AirPods Pro 2 differently, letting you have ANC enabled with just one bud. In settings, go to Accessibility, AirPods, select yours, scroll down and enable noise cancellation with One AirPod. What's the benefit? If you enjoy a little bit of noise neutralization but still want to have clarity on one side. Another really amazing accessibility feature is the ability to use AirPods Pro 2 as FDA cleared over-the-counter hearing aids. In the AirPods menu, select Hearing Assistance to first take a hearing test to determine the degree and nature of your hearing loss. Then you can set up hearing aid, and when it's enabled, you can make adjustments in your phone's control center easily. Also, in the hearing shortcut in the control center, you'll find a super underrated feature called background sounds. It surprises me how many people don't know about this. Background sounds can help battle unwanted environmental noises. I personally use the ocean sound to help me focus, though it is worth noting that this feature isn't limited to the AirPods. You can actually just play these out loud from your iPhone. But for the most effective experience, background sounds on AirPods, so cool. You probably already know that AirPods Pro 2 support wireless charging, meaning you can use a compatible wireless charging pad or one of those 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 charging stations. But something that I think is super underrated is that you can actually use an Apple Watch charger to charge AirPods Pro 2. There's something about the charging coils in this case that make it possible, and I'm not saying you need to charge your AirPods this way, but it is a good tip to keep in the back of your pocket. You never know when it might come in handy. Honestly, I feel like I've barely scratched the surface with things that you didn't know you could do with your AirPods Pro 2, so I'll be sure to drop a link to an article with some extra hidden features, but let me know if you'd want to see a part 2. Remember, if you liked this video, there's a whole playlist of setup essentials to check out. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you next time.